Hands up, Lalo. Finish strong. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Break. 1 minute. Fast pace. Chin tuck, Lala. Hands up. He backs up, fire the right hand, Lala. Don't just bounce in and then stop. Move your head. There you go, there you go. There you go. Stay on him. Stay on him, Lala. Stay on him. Midway. He's stopping, Lala. Jump on him. Don't wait while he stops and breathes. There you go. There you go. He throws one hard shot at a time. Block him and fire. Let's go. Break.